And welcome to the Daily Space Weather. We've got lots of stuff going on, including an incoming geomagnetic storm. Let's get to looking at the closest star, and welcome to all of you stargazers. We did recently see some minor coronal mass ejection activity, a nearly M-class solar flare. We'll also be talking about the electron flux in a later video. We saw nearly 10 times warning levels for the earthly electron flux. Most of the activity is going on in the northern hemisphere, as you can see here. Sunspot 2936 and Sunspot 2940 are the main suspects. Some prominence is happening here, greatly viewed at 304 angstroms. Just spectacular imagery once again from the SDO in ionized helium. And next, the colorized magnetogram. Most of the sunspots have remained stable here over the past 24 hours. No major changes that I noticed. No major groups forming. But there's that colorized magnetogram from the SDO, my favorite telescope. Let us know what your favorite telescope is in the comments. The radio flux still at 130 solar flux units. What do you think? Is the radio flux going to rise from here, or will it fall? We see it's leveled off at 130. That's the one-year chart. Check out the uptick. That is solar cycle 25. It looks nothing like a grand minimum. The red line here is the sunspot number. The black line is the radio flux. So we're expecting a geomagnetic storm. They actually moved it up a little bit. They're expecting it to be a little more slow speed, apparently. So we're expecting geomagnetic unrest late in the day today on February 1st, and all through the day tomorrow, ending with a geomagnetic storm. That'll go into the 3rd, according to the updated forecast here. So this has changed a little bit since yesterday. Expecting the brunt of the geomagnetic storm to be a little bit later than initially forecast by NOAA. Next, we'll look at global seismicity real quick. Little earthquake swarm here around Alaska. Largest quake of the past 24, I think, was a 5.9 in the Kermadec Islands region there, north of New Zealand, adjacent to the Kermadec Trench, south of the Tongan Trench. There was a 4.5 in Oklahoma. Let us know if you felt that quake. All you U.S. viewers. I know we've got quite a lot of viewers in places like Texas. Let us know if you felt that quake. That 4.5 in Oklahoma. There was a quarry blast in Utah also. So no major quakes here over the past 24, nothing over a 6 magnitude. And if we missed anything, let us know in the comments what you think we should have reported on. Next, we'll talk about volcanoes. Etna has been producing some eruption here through its new southeast crater. Etna located on the Isle of Sicily, has resumed activity after almost 7 weeks of quiescence. So there's a new southeast crater characterized by sporadic small to moderate ash emissions and glowing ejecta. Chikaratsky, located south of Kamchatka, volcanic ash not identifiable there. Suminose-jima, flight level 100. It's a 10,000-foot ash plume over the Ryukyu Islands. Three Sisters volcano here in central Oregon showing up with some ground uplift. So between 1995 and 2020, the area has uplifted by 30 centimeters. No imminent eruption warning there on Three Sisters. Santiaguito in Guatemala has seen an intense phase of activity. Some unstable hot lava material and a partial collapse of a lava dome, triggering hot block and ash flows over the southwestern flanks. Flight level about 4,600 meters there. That's about a 15,000-foot plume of volcanic ash there from, which one was that? Santiaguito. Fuego, also in Guatemala, volcanic ash not seen in satellite. Don't assume it's not erupting. Sangay exploding. Flight level 220 over Ecuador from Sangay. Sabancaya unable to detect. Don't pole vault the caldera. And Erta Ale, located in Ethiopia. Showing up here on the list, the lava lake level has uplifted by 30 meters from the latest observations. Yowzers, 30 meters of lava appearing in the lake. Today's featured product is Universum Liberate. Since everybody yearns to be free, we agree. To quote Rush, if I could wave my magic wand, I'd set everybody free. Universum Liberate. The moniker, the motto of the Galactic Federation Special Forces. Show your support for the Galactic Federation Special Forces by picking up something with the merch, something with the logo there. Universum Liberate. Thanks to the Smash team, the true source of funding for the content. We replaced Patreon with a superior subscription service, our own, at smashamash.com/smash team. Also, don't forget to check out our next videos. We'll be putting out one about the magnetic environment, as well as solar features, and then a bonus feature. And we put out a meteorology segment, too. There's an ice storm coming, as well as a geomagnetic storm. So thanks for tuning in, folks. May that solar wind be at your back. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-O-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.